To make the fun magic matchbox, take a simple matchbox. Open it completely. Here we will need two tiny holes on each side. We will make these holes using a thumb pin. We will take two woolen threads of different colors. Take one end of the thread and insert it in one of the holes. Now, take this end to the other side of the matchbox and pass it through the other hole. Remember, the threads should pass through both holes diagonally. Follow this for both the threads. Now tie the other two ends of the threads with each other. Take the matchbox cover and pass one knotted end through it. Now close the matchbox. And here is your magic matchbox ready.